Welcome back. It is now time for Legal Live with Tom Winslow from Goldfinch Winslow. Thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
Now, this is one that I'm just kind of curious about because it's been all over the news. We've been covering it a lot as we did today. Astroworld, the concert that happened in, obviously, Houston, Texas.
Yeah.
And a lot of people, if they just see that, they might think it's related to the Houston Astros. There was some sort of celebration. But this is actually a concert where 8 people were killed, and now lawsuits are being thrown around. From a liability standpoint, of course, the promoter's probably on the hook, but if I'm Drake and I'm a performer and I'm listed as on a lawsuit, am I liable?
You know, there's all kinds of concepts that go along with this in regard to premises liability, right? And the concept is the place itself, right? Astroworld, what did they do in regard to their facility? The promoter, what did the promoter do, right? If you're a promoter here, it's like, what are you doing to protect the people that are there? What do the artists do to incite the activity, right? A lot of the question isn't so much what the premises is around them, it's them saying, come to the stage, let's start a mosh pit, they're creating a dangerous atmosphere that creates that liability. So us as individuals, we need to all think, how are we protecting the people that come to our place in the events that we do?
That's right.
It impacts us also.
Yeah, and even just what you said there reminded me of somebody comes to my home and I am hosting, let's say, a party or a gathering and something happens at my house, maybe was preventable, I'm on the hook for that as well, correct?
And that's where the attorneys come in, right? Because you have different standards in South Carolina for guests, trespassers, invitees, right? These businesses in these homes, you don't know that. You just have property. Call an attorney that might be able to help you out with that, or at least give you some guidance on how to handle that situation.
Yeah, because like let's say in Travis Scott's position for this concert, he was telling people to, come up here, and kind of causing that sort of situation.
Inciting them, right?
But
creating it.
For someone like Drake who just comes out to do a song with Travis Scott, he just walks out. And the thing is, if you've ever been on a stage, when lights are in your face, you can only see about 1 or 2 rows deep. You don't know what's happening 3 rows all the way back. So are you liable for something like that? You don't know until you talk to somebody.
And that's where we got this great jury system that you have these attorneys that can help you through.
Yeah, so if you feel like you're in a situation, maybe some sort of property liability, and you've got questions, how do they get in contact with you guys?
Give us a call. Goldfinch Winslow Law Firm, 843-357-9301, goldfinchwinslow.com.